I am Augie here. This is Rage. We're in Mumbai and you're watching Beats World.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is day 7 of my vlogs and I'm so excited today because I'm meeting my role model of my life and the best person who lives in Bandra in Mumbai. If you haven't guessed it yet and if you don't know who he is Augie F. I'm finally meeting Augie F and I've waited for this day to come because he is my role model. Like, I really like that guy. So let's go to Bandra and meet Augie F. Augie F, I'm coming, bro. Bandra bound right now. Bandra. Augie F, I'm halfway there, bro. Halfway there. So this is Mannat, Shah Rukh Khan's house, and there's another thing special here. One more thing special. I am meeting Augie F in 3, 2, 1. Augie, baby. Rev bomb, rev bomb, rev bomb. One rev bomb. Augie! F! I'm fine, man, Augie. Damn, man. What? I am very excited meeting you, man. Going with Mr. Augie F. Let's go! So if you don't know who Augie F is, you are living under a rock. This guy has 60,000 subscribers and I have only 50. So this guy is way out of my league, like way out of my league. That is Mannat, this is Augie, that is Bandstand. What could go wrong? Yeah, what could go wrong? Augie F, man, Augie F, this helmet, I've seen this helmet so many times and now I can touch it and feel it. Damn Augie, damn son! And this, okay, I'll do it your way. I am Augie F, this is Mumbai and this is Rage. Let's get started. And the logo drops in. Oh man, this is such a reality, bro. This is such a reality check, meeting you. I have dreamt about this from days in and day out, made posters of this guy. I wear a helmet because of safety and Augie is my role model, okay? His posters, his saying, his videos, and this guy is Mr. Bandra himself. You should be either rich or you should be either lucky to have to ride in Rage. Okay, Augie said no rich people get it, only lucky people get it. So lucky and humble. So I don't know what I am, but I'm humble or I'm lucky, but I'm sitting on this seat for 3 fucking lakhs and which you can't sit on. Damn bro, how's you been, man? Good. How's your trip?
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt, calling forever, for every passing moment left. I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel to light the sky along the way.
I'll take you to this place where I normally have juice from. It's like this juice center which gives you energy. I'll take you to one of their juices. Really nice stuff. And then we just probably take a walk along here and see what else you can find. I mean, you've not been here before.
I've not been here before.
Okay, so then we'll take a tour. Take a walk around here. Come out with me.
Okay, this is walking with the legendary Augie F. This video is the best video on Deets World. Vlog 7, Augie F. What else do you want, man? What else do you want?
So have a look and see what you want. Pick whatever you want. I usually have the berry blast.
I'll have what Augie has.
He's giving me 2 blueberry blast.
You have to be either lucky or humble to meet this person. Augie F. Such a dream come true. And this is Juiced. The best Ashwara juice in Mumbai. Who is this? And who is this?
Just makes 2.
He's Augie F. The same person. That's here. He is the same person. One thing, Augie. One thing. I really have to use this camera. This is Deets World. And Augie is linked. These are my stickers. And that sticker is that's my channel, Deets World. So Augie F is in Deets World now. So Zoher does safe feelings. Zoher does safe feelings. Zoher भाई आप ये व्लॉग देख रहे तो अपने पट्टे क्या बोल रहे मतलब लोग जो विलिया मारते हैं ना वो मुंबई में गलीज विलिया का थे अगली बार मुंबई आए ना जरा भाई को अपनी RX में बम विलिया दिखाओ टू स्ट्रोक में विलिया मारो दिल खुश कर दो अपने पट्टे का ये लोग मारते यार 800 पे 600 पे अपन 2 स्ट्रोक पे मारेंगे अलबत्ता जोहर भाई आप देख रहे ना वीडियो आगे के साथ तो मैं अगली बार आपके साथ रहूँगा
I kept on joking about it the entire time. We have multiple videos of that. I said because everyone's like seen only the serious side of me in my videos. Like,
and not this cute little gloomy Augie F. This is the cute little gloomy Augie F. You have to see in Mumbai. Fun side of cute little Augie F.
Riding gear jacket is an Alpine Stars.
Alpine Stars.
TGP R Air, I think it's called. Yeah, TGP R Air. And I've completely updated the
shoes.
No, the internal armor on that. So I put
Man, your armor looks like 1, 2, 3 completed. That
level, yeah.
That photo on Instagram. Yeah.
Sea level 1 backward hip, I've got a sea level 2 on it. Then pants, I've got AGV Sports Solar, I think they're called.
AGV,
yeah,
man, that's an amazing product.
That's a nice.
That's nice, yeah.
And I upgraded the armor on that as well. Boots, I've got 2 boots. So I've got the
Alpine Stars
SMX1.
Yeah.
And I've got the TCX X. What's it called? I forgot the name of that. TCX boots. I forgot they're waterproof ones, but they're also breathable at the same time. So they work in both kind of extremes.
Day in day out, yeah.
And then the leather suit I've got the AGV Sport one-piece bullet. I think that's called.
Yeah.
So that's my gear.
That's his gear. So in the beginning, you're like, I'm not getting views, I'm not getting subscribers, and I'm not getting comments. So tell me one thing for the people who want to start vlogging, and how can they think that I will be big someday?
I mean, for me, it's hard for me to relate to that kind of an approach to this thing because I never started it with the intention of becoming famous or anything. It's not what I got into YouTube for. It comes along with the territory, but there's no way of avoiding it. But if you're looking to get famous, then my only advice would be to be consistent with your uploads.
Yep.
Because that's the way YouTube's whole formula works. So the more frequent you're with your uploads, the more you start to show up on the recommended side of a video. And unfortunately for me, I'm not frequent with it, but fortunately for me, I've reached a point where I've got views and I've got subscribers, which still
it still
gets
shows
me
up,
there.
yeah.
Which still gets me. And it's horrible if you think about it from a beginner standpoint that I'm not really uploading and I'm still getting the attention. But at the end of the day, both of us are putting in equally hard work, if not less or more.
that's really thankful of you. That's really thankful of you. And one second. Hello Adish. ऑगी से बात करता
So friend.
ऑगी से बात करता तो बोल एक सेकंड बात कर
Is your friend?
हेलो आदिश हाँ बात कर ऑगी से
Hello. Hey Adish. Is that how you pronounce your name? Adish. Hey, thank you so much. Yeah. You're from Hyderabad, I'm guessing. Okay. Yeah, you should come here, man. It's a really
What are you doing? Hang out with Augie, vlogging with Augie. तेरा सपना था बेटे, मैंने पूरा कर दिया. देख, तेरा signature. हाँ, sure. I'll be a bit stingy and have the signature on my sticker. Hallelujah. This is the updated sticker. This is the updated Augie sticker. Ride safe, it's a jungle out there. This is the updated sticker. Can I get one more from my friend Augie? Adish, ये तेरे लिए है बेटे. Adish, ये तेरे लिए है. This is Augie F and this is going on my helmet. And for the video purposes, it is a sentiment to do the same thing. Augie, these are my stickers. Deets World. You can have them, and that's how it goes, man. That's how it goes.
nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Augie. Thank you so much. You really made my day in Mumbai. My work here is done. I met Augie F. I've shown you a lot of things. Subscribe to Deets World because Augie F is a part of it now.
Subscribe, yeah.
Yep. What factors motivate you a lot?
So I'll be honest. Initially, when I started the channel, I think, and this is a phase I think everyone goes through, and some people are still unfortunately stuck in that phase where the number of views and the number of likes and everything you get starts to motivate you to do it more. And unfortunately, what that sometimes makes you do is like put out controversial videos and just clickbaits and stuff like that. And that's not something I ever wanted to do. In the recent past, if you've noticed, my videos have been more around the joy of riding motorcycles versus anything else. And that's why I wanted to make that happen more than anything else.
Soul talk, you mean? Soul talk, yeah.
Kind of, yeah, but more in terms of just purely dedicated to motorcycles and not anything else. Because, like I said, I think I don't think I added that part to the Pondicherry IBW video, but I said over there that right now the impression people have of bikers in India in general is that we're these kind of squids who ride around and disrupt the local law enforcement or whatever. But at the end of the day, there's still so many of us who care about our safety and who just want to get out there and ride and enjoy the trip, and that's what I want to get out. So what keeps me motivated is when I get messages from people who say like, I watched your video and it made me buy a helmet, or it made me buy my first riding jacket, or I didn't have the confidence to ride motorcycles, but after watching a video like this, I think that it is still possible. If someone can go from point A to point B and capture such a nice journey or whatever and have such nice experiences along the way. And lastly, I think it's more about, for me, I'm an introvert. If you've not met me, otherwise I'm an introvert.
Yeah.
But through YouTube, I think I've made more friends through YouTube and through motorcycles. And you're going to hear this in the latest video which I put out as well. And my friend circle right now, mostly, I think about 90% of them are all people who ride. So I think that's what kind of also motivates me, that I get to meet so many people from so many different backgrounds, so many different areas within India and across the globe as well sometimes, that the world itself becomes smaller for me in some sense. And I don't have to like reach out to people to become friends with them. I can just use social media and easily do it. So yeah, I think the change is the main motivation factor. I think people's understanding of how bikers are, and then the way the whole paradigm is shifting in favor of people who are not squids right now is, I think, which keeps me motivated. Our roads are safer now.
Yeah, it is safer. So, see things again. Where do you see yourself 1 year from now?
Oh, I don't plan like that. I don't plan.
Like a small goal, like a dream goal or dream sub count, something like that.
No, I've said it before, the sub count really doesn't matter to me. I mean, I love that people watch my content and stay subscribed to it, even though I don't put out content that frequently. But the count is really not something I'm targeting. I wouldn't say I want to be at this number or that number or so. It doesn't make a difference to me. As long as there are people who get influenced, and even if there's 5 people who watch my videos and and I have 5 people like spreading the same kind of awareness and stuff, that I'm happy at the end of the day. So I don't keep targets like that.
Right.
If you want me to target, I'd like to be happy personally, professionally, and on my motorcycle. That's my target.
That's an amazing thing, okay. And second thing, do you think people ride safer now in Mumbai after you made your things and all that, like rash people and rash things? Like, have you seen a change?
It's hard to gauge because there's so many things that influence that kind of attitude, right? Like I said this in Pondicherry as well, that if you're brought into the motorcycling culture with people who have the same understanding as seasoned bikers do, then you'll obviously imitate them. You'll follow that path. But unfortunately, I think the number of people who are squids is higher than the number of people who are responsible. And I think
exactly
what will be a struggle right now is changing that attitude as well. Because you have to unlearn being a squid and then become a proper rider, right? So I think that's a challenge. So honestly, I've not seen a big change myself on the roads, but I know that it is happening because of the number of posts I see on social media about people mocking squids and stuff like that. So I know that there are people who are enforcing it in their own way, shape, or form. I think it's good getting there, but it's not there yet.
There's still scope, you mean?
A lot of stuff.
One last thing, Agi. What is the message you would like to give to your subscribers out there who are watching this video on my channel?
First, I think I have to start off by apologizing that my videos have not been that frequent. But I think I just like to thank you guys because I don't know when this video is getting uploaded, but I hit 60,000 subscribers today, and I owe each of you guys big time. It means the world to me. Although the sub count, like I said, doesn't really matter, but just knowing that there's 60,000 of you out there who watch my videos every now and then and still support the cause as well and support the second channel as well, I think that means a lot.
That is,
Thank you so much.
Riders for a Cause has really changed the perspective people watch YouTube now. So, apart from vlogging videos, you really go to places and you show things. So each and everyone from YouTube, from my channel, really thank you for really helping them and making their lives a good place to live in.
Thanks so much. It means a lot.
Please, yeah. Okay, you go to long places like Goa, Bangalore, and all that. So you have a plan, and then you take your bike. So do you have to say anything so that the people get to know that how they need to plan and how they need to go for it, like their bikes, parents, and all that?
So I think mainly make sure that your bike is functional, because a lot of people don't really pay a lot of attention to that, and then they run across problems on the way to their destination. I usually get the bike serviced like at least a week before I take my bike on a long ride. And if I'm not taking my bike, I made sure Benelli also, and the Benelli guys are brilliant. They made sure that the bike was in tip-top condition, so I didn't have to worry about that. But yeah, the bike has to be firstly serviced and running perfectly fine. And I do that a week before, so I can at least have a week to test it out and see if there's some glitches here and there which I need to get changed, and I can take it back and get it changed.
Yep.
I think keeping people informed also is very important. At least your family and your loved ones, because God forbid something happens, and at least you have someone who is there and who knows
Back is supporting you, exactly.
Get in touch with them. I tried not to ride solo, but the Bangalore ride was not.
Maybe
no one
solo,
else was there,
yeah.
But I tried.
Exceptions you can be always in made exceptions here.
Try not to ride solo, because if something happens to you, there's at least someone with you who can help you out. And I think the last thing is just to be in the right frame of mind, I think, because you can plan how much you want, but when things go wrong, if you are not in the right frame of mind, you're never really going to make it to your destination. You're going to panic, you're going to take a lot of unnecessary stress. So more than planning your trip, I think the backup plan is more important, because not every time will your plan go according to
the plan, yeah.
You'll always have something missing here and there. But it's just how big of a miss it is that really matters.
Agi is so humble, he takes pictures with his subscribers. Everywhere there are subscribers. 60,000, man. That is Agi for you. Helmet, gloves, then the cranking. So you better get your helmet and gloves straight and then crank your bike. And I'm going with Agi F.
I am Augie here, this is Rage, we're in Mumbai, and you're watching Beats World. It was really nice meeting Beats World today, spending half the day with him. If you haven't already, subscribe to his channel. I'm sure you love his content. Hyderabad guy, yeah. They already have good channels out there.
That is Augie F. This is Rage. And this is Mumbai. Augie F. Maya, I was really happy and really nice to meet Augie F. And there's one thing that had to do with him. There's a flip that rides it. That is Mr. Augie F. This is Augie F. He's leaving for home. He was with me for half of the day. I love this. This vlog is the best. Vlog 7, go watch it. That is Augie F. Those are his loves. This is Rage. And he's gonna crank and he's gonna leave. Augie, it's been a very amazing day, man. I love you. Subscribe to this guy. 60k, man. 60k in the bank. Bye, Augie. See you, bro. When you see a tunnel, ref bomb Augie. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Hey guys, so that was vlog 7. I met Mr. RC390, Mr. Bandra, Augie F. It was a really amazing day for me. He's so humble, so down to earth that he really came on a ride on Rage. So please subscribe to his channel and please subscribe to my channel because more of these vlogs are coming soon. And ride safe, it's a jungle out there. Peace.